Hey guys, this is King Bestiola and we are live at Wagara Zedo Street Experience. Today we'll be testing the proficiency of individuals in Edo language, and we are live at Ring Road, Benin City, Urban Market, and of course prizes we won. This project is proudly sponsored by Ambassador Osazuwa Omede. So guys, follow me as we get into the video. Let's go. Kabalalo Kesa. Yes, sir. So, sir, you'll be telling us your name and where you are from.
Anyway, Dokpolo, IKD. Oredo Malabio, Oredo Makiri.
You are my daddy, me too. I'm from Oredo local government. So, sir, you'll be picking this paper and you'll be telling us what the word is in Edo language, and you'll be making a sentence with it. So, sir, let me. So this is cutlass. The word here is cutlass. So daddy, you'll be telling us what cutlass is.
Opia. Na ya gbogbo de na ya fian mi ajo piawo. If na ifian ne opia ya fian.
So daddy, make a sentence with opia.
Eta ba na we opia. Aya yugbo. Aya fian mi kemi. Aya fian mi. Aya gbogbo. Aya kalode. Aya gbogbo de yugbo. Aya we mi ya. Aya fian mi.
Okay, so that you just won yourself a prize. So that you count it. You count it in Benin. There's still another money inside. Daddy wants to count the money.
Eva, Eha, Ene. Isen, Ehan, Ihian, Ihin, Igbe, Ola Epigbe.
Epigbe 10,000. So daddy, thank you very much. So daddy, shout out to Ambassador Osazuwa Omede because he's the sponsor of this Wagara Zedo Street Experience.
Osa yiwu yo bole, Osa to bomu. Eli anori ari boyo kan atemu ne Eli Jesu Christ no.
So guys, we've learned various words and what they mean in Edo. We have cutlass, we've seen book, we've seen cup, we've seen other words. These are just the small ones in Edo language. So guys, watch out for Wagara Zedo Street Experience for more words and to be converted in Edo language. So thank you guys for watching. God bless you.